I have a little bit of Trim Black here. This is excellent paint. It will hold very long, but the can needs to be shaken, of course. And I learned a rattle can shaking trick from Kevin Tetz. There is an actual attachment to Sawsall that you can use Sawsall to shake a rattle can, but since I don't have that actual attachment, I'm using a universal attachment, which is a zip tie. Think it'll hold? Let's try. Oh, I should probably plug it in. Yeah, it works. I don't know how long to do that. 20 minutes? Or until it explodes on my face. Thing about these SEM paints is that they don't require a whole lot of preparation. Just washing the part with soap and water. I'm using a wheel brush here. Hosing off. Wiping it down. And after this, I'm just scuffing it lightly. Basically, just put a little scratch on it. Even that is not, strictly speaking, extremely necessary to do. It's old and oxidized, so getting rid of a little bit of the oxidization here. Although the next part is not, strictly speaking, necessary. I'm wiping it off with acetone. And I'm bringing my driveway protector here. Wiping it off with acetone. Just all any wax residue or whatever there is. Same color code. And just bugging it a bit. This paints the driveway really well also. So, let it flash off for a few minutes. Let's lay another little bit thicker coat. Getting it around these crevices here. This paint can is almost empty. This SEM plastic paint is almost a no-skill job. You know, just point it in the general direction of the part. You don't need to clean it that well. You don't need to do a whole lot of prep work. Shake the bottle, shake the can, and go to town with it. And I usually put like 3 coats, and it sort of turns into plastic. So this is a part that I painted like at least 3 years ago, and it has taken a beating. It's really dirty now too. I'm trying to show you what's under the dirt. So after 3 years and a lot of pinstriping, you can see how branches have been hitting this. Pinstripes don't almost penetrate at all. Here's a good example of that. You barely see them, and here's a tiny, here's starting to peel off in the sun. I think now that's dirt. This is purely just dirt, and here you can see peeling in this edge here where the coat was the thinnest. So other parts just dirty, but still in really good condition. I don't expect this to last for 3 years. It's probably almost 4 years actually, and so I was planning to redo these shortly anyway, but I don't think I need to redo this year. I'm just gonna wash this, and it'll look just fine. And then next year I will scuff it and repaint it. This whole bed and these sails take, I don't know, 2 cans of paint at most. And since I've done it once, they may take only one can. So I'm really happy with this material. It sticks really well, relatively. I mean, anything else that I have ever thrown on plastic parts, I mean, these were all faded. They were like totally gone, and they looked like new once done, and they still look much better than they did before I started. Okay, it's dry, and I'm gonna put one more coat on. I'm using this can really thoroughly. It even runs kind of self-fix with this paint. Now I'm letting it dry and putting it on, and then this part is done. This paint is fully hardened in about 48 hours, and it's really, that's dry after 10 minutes, and you could almost handle it now, but it looks really good, so much better than it did. And yeah, I would report back in 3 years how it looks, but you saw the same paint lasting 3-4 years, so yeah. This has been painting plastic with no scales. See you next time.